Maybe they're going to be marketing some other product. Maybe they're going to be saying, hey, call your congressman and change these laws that apply to banks. And what the FCC has said is that when the subject matter of the call ranges to the topic, then the call is transformed. And it's a call that would have been allowed and it's no longer allowed. And so I think that the content of the call is different here.
Good, thank you. I'm sorry. The telephone started to ring, and it cut me off the call, and I don't think it was a robocall, and we got it straightened out. Okay, my question is this. Forget the political part of this.
Justice Sotomayor? Justice Sotomayor?
I'm sorry, Chief. Ms. Ross, picking up on where you were right now.
The regulations. Justice Sotomayor? Justice Sotomayor?
I am sorry, Chief. Did it again. Mr. Michel?